Hello, in this video we'll be showing you how you can access the Nursery World e-resource off campus. On the Library Canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Archives icon. Now on the Archives page, just scroll down until you come across the Nursery World logo and then click on that. Now on the Nursery World page, just click on the logo to access this e-resource. You should now find yourself on the Nursery World main page. On the top left of the screen, you will find a sign in button. Just click on that and you'll be given two options to sign in, either via personal account or institutional account. Just click on the institutional account option. You will now be asked to find your institution. In the search bar, just enter Northwest Regional College. And then click the Find button. And once that appears as an option underneath, just select that. And now finally on the middle of the page, just click on the Login button. Finally, you'll be asked to enter in your username and password. Just enter your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the Login button.